good evening. Who are you on the line?
Patrick.
Patrick, would they hear you? Or you talk to Juliet?
Oh. You know, okay. Are you with me?
I am with you. You don't forget Abu. I talk to her. She didn't hear you.
I want to say, you know, as you say start that time, when you say, when the person gets you and Azuno,
Yes.
The thing go reach like 100. This one pass 100 though. This one go pass 100 as well. The bread price go plenty.
You go plenty, Abby?
You go plenty well. I agree to Juliet at the hill. You find well.
Thank you.
You find well. I agree to you.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
We'll come watch the movie.
Anyway, would they give out 2 tickets on top Twitter? Would they give out 2 tickets on top Twitter? For those of you when we say go like come the premiere, and when they happen for Genesis Deluxe Cinema. And look when Ned God will say, Nedu, true to God, I want to donate myself as Julie husband. Director, please, let's do this movie.
All right.
So our movie now, watch out for the movie. What is the name of this film?
Shattered Films.
Shattered Romance. Shattered Romance Part 2.
Yes.
Aya, director.
Okay, now, okay, fine.
Now you go say, cut.
No, action.
Action.
Yes.
Aya.
In 2, 3. No, but soundtrack need to do
Act
first.
1, scene 1.
Yes. Wait a minute. Act 1, scene 1.
Nidu comes in and is in a very bad mood.
With my wife. I could just call up my wife.
Yes.
No, we don't know. They talk quick. We don't know what you want to do.
They don't know. Ladies are professional.
67, take 1. Action. Soundtrack.
You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me. I'm leaving the house now.
Go.
Yes, I will go. Oh, baby. I'll consider that for your lap.
No, you say you dey vex now.
I dey vex.
Why? Why are you angry?
He's my wife.
What happened?
You go rub my chest now.
What happened?
And she's vexing me. You can't kiss me. You can't kiss me.
Don't be
angry. You can't kiss me. Kiss me now.
I've kissed me. Should I kiss director? Director, save me. Just take cut.
Keep acting. Make it real. Make it real.
Wow, miss my wife. My wife doesn't want to be, so she keeps disturbing me.
Oh, you
She won't give me.
Baby, come, lie down for breast. Lie down for breast.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, God.
God.
Can we do this again?
And it is a rap. And it's a rap.
Yeah, bad director. Did you see our actions where the reactions were?
Let me tell him like that here.
High five. We'll give her an award.
No, before do the one where slap day.
No.
You know, say that
Now, is it people do that one? Okay, now you go slap. No, if you slap me, now the heavy slap, now 2 hands, because they slap me.
No.
Because you don't catch you.
Anyway, Juliet, for those who want to follow you on top social media, for those of we want to watch most of your movies, because time not even there to take for ask you plenty questions.
Okay.
Now, to even start with, before I come out to still get more time, small time. How many movies you don't do so far? As a way you don't
as producer,
we don't say you don't do three movies. Yeah. Now, how many movies if you count where you don't act inside?
Over 50.
Jesus.
Wow. Over 50.
Okay, you don't need the business. You
10 years now.
10 years.
10 years now. Now you don't do the movies. Now you don't do the industry. What do you even make? Can me ask you one question? What do you make you enter producing of movie?
Now because I know that I want to see quality movies come out. Stories like what did she talk before? Stories you know go fit predict when they watch them. You know most men for instance, they know they watch Nollywood movies because they go talk say you know I prefer the comedy ones. I don't prefer something and they watch them and they see the boom man did the back like this, you know. So we want to do better quality movies. Something you and your wife go feel watch in the cinema. You go you go laugh and everything.
So now romance you go to do now?
No, not be only romance though. No. The first one I do, number 1 fan. That one
action.
A day on DVD now set for Nigeria. That one comedy and trailer action inside.
Okay, so now we AY day inside.
AY day inside that one. You
use do comedy.
Detective Inspector AY in that one. Yeah, you play.
So if you use this kind, they do an easy bit now for your film.
Why for the film I go marry Juliet, bro?
Why?
No.
She no go there inside film now. She go produce.
It a good when person they produce. When you
but
day.
you no go now. She no go act inside this particular film where you want day inside.
But you go good today inside now.
But she says she no one day inside.
Now your film.
Now your film.
Now your film.
But more ask her whether they make money inside the film.
Yeah.
Ask them whether they make money.
But not true. Hey, I won't ask you. You didn't make money for inside this film.
Not yet.
Piracy.
Yeah, piracy. People know they come
So
out
they
to
forget
support.
like they
everywhere.
Now, national and international union of private, the many
They everywhere now. They could come buy from Ghana. Just buy one DVD. When you launch them in Nigeria, carry and go Ghana. Start selling it on the market before you even launch them for Ghana. It's the same thing. You launch them for Ghana, somebody for Nigeria go buy them. Go launch them for here.
So
they
this
go take and go launch them for
now.
Benin. They go take and go launch them for East Africa. Everywhere. Now, so
And you never reach there.
You not even reach there. Yeah. I there inside Africa Coast now. I can see our movies there on top of TV translated in French. You go see in the Edo mouth like that.
Yeah, but now
what you talk about speak French.
everything in French inside.
Yes.
This shattered romance, how you want to protect them against piracy?
We just they pray. I just prayers and they try to just release them online on like exclusive platforms online where they gonna go watch them on website or they go to cinema.
They
That's why when they
download them.
No, we go. They prevent them now.
Okay.
Yeah, it's prevented. So they try that.
But this one you want show them for cinema. You know, some people they carry.
Some people they carry something go video.
No, we know now, but that be why now we they pray that the cinema people they need to provide more security inside. You know, that's the thing.
People
Yeah,
are desperate.
it's very
yours
bad.
comes put them yours
And they
before
go be
the
very
thing
bad
start.
quality.
Yes, but because everybody who watch Nigerian film knows that Nigerian films, most of our Hollywood movies, it always clear.
Yeah.
So when you see the one where not
Bad
clear,
quality, that
bad
mean-
quality, you not go watch them.
People don't say
People know they watch them. And that thing again, be say, I think Hollywood movies they make more money online these days because plenty Niger people when not in Nigeria,
Yeah,
they always watch on top. How you think they make money from online?
The online, it be something new. So now they understand the thing. For now, they get all these sites online, websites, which they pay you and they go own your movie right for some time. Then they go put on their platform to these people outside. But some of us, we are now understanding it. So even me, I try do my own stuff online now. Where my movies go be, you know, and people can watch it. Yeah.
And then you are too much. I just like this business side of you.
Don't worry, money will come.
Amen.
Okay,
you know.
now on top Twitter, we go give our tickets to let me see.
No, but we never know. We get question who we suppose ask them first. Then the first person will go quick.
Okay, you know thing happen. The question we go ask now because now next week be the premiere 16th on Friday, Abi.
Why you even-
No, don't worry. I know what I want to ask. How many now where originally? I say originally.
Oh, Joy.
Oh, Jesus.
Originally.
Now where originally Juliet Ibrahim come from? Now where originally she come from? Where her papa come from and where her mama come from? Send the answer to our Twitter handle @W9 Show. If you get a brand, we don't give you ticket. So that day you go snap to Juliet Ibrahim. If you're a man or wife, you can leave your wife. We don't get belay for inside the Makodi. Come Lagos, come go the premiere. Anyway, if you want, do one for your social media website and everything. What's in your
It's
hand?
Juliet Ibrahim on Twitter, Instagram, and
Okay,
Facebook.
just Juliet Ibrahim.
Yeah, Juliet Ibrahim on Facebook. Juliet Ibrahim original fan page.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fake people not get Juliet Ibrahim.
Then plenty for Facebook. When my own be original fan page.
Okay,
so
well,
if
for
you
Instagram,
see,
they know many inside Instagram.
Twitter and Instagram verified. So
Okay.
So that was Juliet Ibrahim.
yeah,
original.
Juliet
Okay.
Ibrahim.
What's it be your sister's names?
Sonia Ibrahim.
Sonia.
And
That one was
Nadia.
not.
And Nadia.
Yeah, and Nadia
Some
Ibrahim.
kind of exotic names. Your brother
Maybe all these Arab people. Nabil.
Nabil.
Hey, Nabil Ibrahim. Na Arab names now.
That kind of when you see person be
Where
saying,
your papa now?
He's in Lebanon.
For go find him. Come.
go find him, Papa. Papa, you one day
Maybe hear
try
his
put your
story.
papa inside film.
The story of his life.
Try put your papa inside film. It go make sense.
Go put inside film very soon. Very fine.
Anyway, double toilet all of now when it be said don't watch us this evening. Those
Yes,
way call, thank you. Those of now way we send tweet messages. Who not fit take una come book una no verse. Who go use this song.
Easy be the back. Come on, you are eyeshed. You dey use style. Stop, Juliet. Come on, the eyeshed. Come on.
We go use Juliet Ibrahim song. Take come up for inside today. Easy beat. Play us that song. Let us enjoy and let us dance.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.